Hello friends, this is Rohan Medhi, Director of Vitasta Learning Private Limited. We aim at empowering individuals and organizations to utilize their full potential and achieve holistic growth. Friends, we are currently in a very unique situation. No one would have ever imagined that the entire country would be locked down for so many days. Obviously, we all realize that this is very thoughtful and it's for our own betterment. However, it's really difficult to digest for most of us. And in this challenging situation, I got reminded of a very simple yet powerful tool which I am going to share with you in this video. The name of this tool is Circle of Concern and Circle of Influence. So let's discuss. Circle of Concern. Mr. Stephen Covey has used the absolutely apt term to describe this. Something which is of concern for an individual. So the circle of concern has got all those things over which a person has very little or no control at all. For example, this corona pandemic, its growth globally is something which we as laymen have no control over. This lockdown, it's mandatory for us. We cannot decide when that should end, isn't it? So though these are impacting us, we do not have any control over them. Now these are situations which are common to all of us. However, there are multiple things which are in circle of concern for an individual. For example, someone is not behaving the way I want is something which is in circle of concern for me. Because I cannot have control on how should someone else behave, isn't it? Now the catch is that though we realize that these things are out of our control, at times we keep cribbing about these. The government is not doing its job well. My boss is such a bad boss. He or she doesn't understand me at all. The policies of my employer are absolutely worst. Or I had started on time, but all these indisciplined drivers, they created this traffic jam, and the list goes on and on. All these things which are out of our control are in circle of concern. So what's circle of influence? Circle of influence is something which involves what can I do. So there might be n number of things in circle of concern which I do not have control over, but there is definitely something which I can do to positively influence the situation. For example, this corona pandemic growth globally is not in our control, but following the lockdown is definitely in our control. Following the instructions is in our control. For that matter, if I come across someone who is still taking these things lightly and unnecessarily moving out of his house, I should go and at least sensitize him why he should not do this. That's in my control. Changing others' behavior is not in my control, but changing my behavior towards others to positively impact the situation is what I can do, and that's circle of influence. Now friends, universe's rule is that area in your life grows where your energy flows. So if you continuously keep on focusing only on circle of concern, this is not happening, that is not being done well, and you keep cribbing about it, your circle of concern will keep on increasing and circle of influence will go on decreasing. Instead, if you focus on whatever you can do, however small it may be, you are acting in your circle of influence. Thus your circle of influence keeps on growing, and that helps in diminishing the impact of circle of concern. So friends, be mindful. If you are continuously focusing on the negative aspects, blaming others, blaming external things, and doing nothing for overcoming the situation, remind yourself you are continuously stuck with the circle of concern, and that's not going to help. So you need to focus and shift your attention towards circle of influence. What can I do? Okay, this is the situation, it's not going to change. But what can I do to positively impact the situation? So in this phase of lockdown, rather than thinking only about why did this happen and what is going to happen next, let's enjoy this time with our family. Let's spend quality time with them. Let's focus on ourselves for our own growth, our self-development. Let's experiment, let's try new things and diminish the impact of circle of concern on our life. I'm sure together we'll emerge as victors from this situation. All the best. Keep focusing on your circle of influence. Thank you so much, Rohan Medi from Mitasta Learning. Learn, implement, and keep growing.